Finding a safe spot in the pandemic has been difficult for scores of children. And in the Ray of Hope this evening, we look at an initiative to do just that.
Finding a safe spot in the pandemic has been difficult for scores of school-aged children who have been suffering from abuse. In response, 16-year-old Renaldino McLean has provided a platform using social media.
They are on the social media platforms day in, day out, sometimes even being distracted from their schoolwork. And so if they need the help and they're on spaces where we can provide the help, then that's a combination that's so perfect.
He launched the Safe Spot initiative in collaboration with the Office of the Children's Advocate, OCA. Young Renaldino believes children should be able to use social media to find the help that is available to them.
Anyone who wants to connect to children in a real way has to tap into that, has to make the best of that reality of the present age.
The COVID-19 pandemic has slammed the door shut on the social development of many children, and the transition to remote learning has made some even more vulnerable to abuse. Children's advocate Diane Gordon Harrison says in many cases, minors were not able to talk about the challenges they're experiencing. So SafeSpot was designed to meet struggling children where they are most comfortable.
We had our first contact from an 8-year-old via WhatsApp who really wanted to just get some reassurance if everything would be okay for her. Her challenge at the time, her parents were going through a divorce, and she just wanted to know through reassurances of other children who may in fact have gone through that, what happened to them. And since then, we have had steady contact.
And since the launch, the OCA has been working with children from all parishes, even overseas.
We've had kids from South Africa call. We've had kids from the US call because they've heard about SafeSpot. It seems like a welcoming place and they want to get advice and support.
Mrs. Gordon Harrison says the dream is to have SafeSpot around even beyond the pandemic. With a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.